Another way you can make any Pilates class more challenging is to adjust the timing. Now, that's not to say to adjust the rhythm of any exercise. Keep the rhythms the way that they were meant to be done. So keep the rhythm, but you can adjust the timing. And by that, I mean you can adjust the timing between exercises, you can do quicker transitions, or you can slow the tempo down of a particular exercise. So slowing the exercise down while keeping the proper rhythm can make an exercise more difficult. Speeding up transitions gives less of a rest time for your students. So you can play with the timing, just don't play with the rhythm. So try that in your next class. Either speed up the transitions in between exercises or slow down the tempo within an exercise while keeping the rhythm intact. And let me know how it goes.